So hitting the power shot in FC24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can hit the power shot in FIFA 24 or FC24. So FC24 is actually the latest FIFA's game. They just changed the name from FIFA to FC. They now these games will be called as FC24, and which is the latest game. So how to do that? The thing is pretty easy. You just have to hold this key of your controller and it will start running obviously, and then you have to hold this key as well. These are in the PS controller are called as L1 and R1 keys, and then you have to press the circle key. And what it will do is it will do the power shot. So you just have to keep on pressing these two keys and press circle key. It will do the power shot. And for Xbox controller, press this LB key and RB key, and then you have to press this B key. So the controls are pretty much same in the Xbox and PS4 controller. Remember, you have to hold this key, and then you have to press the B key to hit the power shot in FC24, which is also called as FIFA 24. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.